Want to see how AI can remember your name and even talk with you? In this video, I will explain the Sequential Agent Workflow with Mukh.1. Now, what is Sequential Agent? It is built to manage conversations in a structured, step-by-step way. It remembers details like your name and uses them to make chats feel more personal and engaging. Now, how it works? State node with memory. This is store user details like a name so they don't get lost during the conversation. Conditional agent. This checks if the user's name is already known. So, in case 1, if no name is found, the system tries to extract a name from what the user said. If it cannot, it politely asks, "What's your name?" Once provided, it replies, "How can I assist you?" Case number 2. If the name is already stored, a friendly AI assistant greets the user directly, like, "Hello Sarah, how are you doing today?" So, by combining memory, conditional logic, and polite prompts, this sequential agent makes conversation feel smooth, user aware, and truly personal. And that's how the sequential agent workflow works, remembering details, guiding conversations step by step, and making AI chat feels more human. If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to Mukh.1, and check out the playlist for more workflow explainers. I'll see you in the next one.